Yeah, this is really good.
Wine.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. What's your name? Susanna. Well, you better hurry up, Susanna, or you're going to be late, Susanna.
Oh no.
The darkness comes. The light is dim. The shadows call. We now begin. Deep in shadows beneath the park, my rejects are hounding to make their mark. I summon the creatures, our solemn vow. Behold, Kansas City, our time is now. Townsfolk are ready to share their foul and fetid crop. But this year, Pumpkin Eater will harvest you. Deep in the twisting fields, come forth the corn stalkers. Take up your sickle and let me hear you howl. Break out of detention, you students of Zombie High. The 7th hour bell has rung, and it's time to feed on a lively new student body. Where are the victims of the slaughterhouse? High on the hill, the bloodshed calls to you. Hunt down those who are ripe and ready for the picking. The gunslingers of Boot Hill shall not be forgotten. The time has come for outlaws' revenge. Take vengeance on those who condemn you to a cold and lonely grave. Voodoo spirits, show yourselves. It's time to conjure up the lost souls of the swamp and pay tribute with fresh blood on the bayou. Step lively, inhabitants of Ripper Alley. Jack the Ripper's blade cries out for the blood of those who have forgotten your tormented souls. Leap from the pages with a bloodthirsty vengeance. Your dreams become nightmares at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. I summon the creatures lurking in the jungle. Your prey lies in wait as they lose themselves in the abyss. Come forth, the living dead, who before the sunrise must feed once again. Seek the unbelievers of the lore of the vampire, and let them feel the pain of your tortured existence. From the far-off east and the distant west, they're here to do what they do best. Those quarrelsome queens of calamity, those enigmatic enchantresses of evil, the vile vixens of villainy, the wicked witch of the east, and the wicked witch of the west.
Oh, prepare yourself as we conjure a night you won't soon forget.
Your trip down this yellow brick road will be nothing short of a nightmare.
Absolutely dreadful.
Diabolical.
Dastardly.
And don't forget,
Drop dead gorgeous.
you fear is here.
Soul of power, mind unknown, complete our coven, maiden mother, bone.
That I was bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone.
Now time to open up the big top! Tickle! Finally make yourself useful and unlock the cages. Send in the clouds!
There's only two types of people in the world.